Welcome to our dream house.
Bilvashri Farms.
This is Bilvashri Farmhouse. Everybody has a dream of constructing a beautiful house, but this is something beyond dream. Heavenly, I can say. A piece of heaven, our own piece of heaven. This is antique. Probably somebody who doesn't know may even think this house is very old, but it is not. A new house built in a very traditional antique way. Every material that we have sourced here, some are old, some have been made to look old, only to get that feeling. This, if you can see, is a Totti Mane. Totti Mane, it is very popular in Malnad and also in
Mysore
down
side,
south.
especially Mysore side. Mysore, Chamarajnagar, Kolegal, towards this side, you get to see this Totti Mane concept. And nowadays, we only see the basic, the big structures, which has
36 columns,
36 columns.
pillars.
Yes.
But this, if you see, is a very small Totti Mane, which has only 4 pillars. This was, very different idea, and it took a lot of efforts and ideas from various sources to get this planned.
Yeah, various people, gave us a lot of advice, to make this happen.
Yes.
And like how you can see this, the Gopura concept, where when in a rainy season, the rain comes, the entire rain water will come and downfall here, and you can play with that water, and even also we make use of this water
to enrich our
bowel.
Because the water that comes from above, it almost flows like a waterfall
Waterfalls,
down here.
yes.
And if we close this, we also have a mini swimming pool. Our son loves playing here during the monsoon season. And in the evening, if we don't feel like going and soaking in the rain, we just sit inside and enjoy the rain when it falls like a waterfall, which is something so enchanting. When we sit here in the evening with a cup of tea, it is breathtaking. Many times we pay thousands of rupees to have a view like that, but we are fortunate to have had this.
Yes, and also if you sit here in a Totti, and if you see right next to us, you can see the Chamundi Hill and the temple Gopura and everything. During night times, you get a beautiful view of Chamundi Hill with the lighting and everything. And also, when it comes to investment, we approximately invested for 25,000 to construct this, 25 lakhs to construct this house. And here, the materials, what we chose, it's a different kind of brick, what we use. It's a wire cutting brick. Actually, this brick, you don't need plastering, so you can save the cement, a lot of cement and cement cost by using this brick actually. Though it's quite expensive, because normally, you get a brick around 6 to 7 rupees, 8 rupees, 9 rupees, like that. But this also ranges between 15 to 18, and even it may go up to 20. So based on your budget, you can go for it. Because when you do the regular plastering thing, it looks like always, it looks quite similar, wherever you go, regular house.
The other advantage
Yes.
is concrete and cement traps heat from the sun.
Yes.
This house doesn't need fan or AC because we have terracotta tiles made of clay flooring, and the wall again, which doesn't have any, very minimal cement. Only to put it together we have used cement, but otherwise it is solid clay bricks, fine finish. We have not put any cement, and the high ceiling we have Mangalore tiles, clay tiles for the roofing. So all of this is natural cooling. We don't need AC even at almost 38 degrees, because last year summer was almost 38 to 40 here, even in Mysore. We never needed a fan or an AC. It is very cool inside. So these are the advantages of using natural products. The
Yes.
more you make it fancy with more synthetic things, it becomes very hard to live in. You need many equipments to keep ourselves comfortable.
And also, if you see these doors and the carvings, what we have, it's very unique. And nowadays, you won't get such a good finishing. Even you use quite a lot of machines, new tools, and it's also too heavy. If you see this, the gauge of the wood, it's too heavy, and one person can't lift
Yes, the doors.
the doors.
Even
It's
the
too
latch,
heavy.
once if it is put, we cannot move the door.
We cannot move
It is safer than our modern doors
Yeah.
with many locks.
Yeah, we call it as Godrej and all that. It's very safest lock, and such locks nowhere. It's near to this
We
safety.
can't compare the safety of this to that.
These old locks actually.
And even
You
this,
can see the
this is a rosewood
rosewood window.
window. If you can see, these are movable.
Movable.
We don't know if it is 50 or 100 or how
It's
many
more
years
than
old. More
100
than
years
that.
actually.
This is something so unique because if you can see, we can't see any hook or anything that is holding, but still we can move it like this. Today, no regular carpenter can make something so beautiful like this.
See, when it comes to designing, see what we have done here in our house. We almost utilized 600 square feet for the main hall. In that, we had 6 by 6. We used it for totti, and also for the room with attached bathroom, we utilized approximately 20 by 15. Almost 15 by, yeah, for the room, and also for the kitchen almost the same, and some passage. And in the passage, we have we made use this for utility, and here it's a kitchen. Same, though the concept is village type, but the kitchen is quite modern. As per the latest needs.
Means we don't have a firewood kitchen.
Yeah.
But this is a modern kitchen. Yeah.
And also we have a staircase here.
This
And
leads
this
to the
this
atta.
leads to the atta, and also there is a utility space. And apart from that, we have one more utility space outside, and also one separate common bathroom for our guest. And this place, utility space, we use it for washing and soaking and everything. And let's move on to the staircase now. We'll go to Hatta. This staircase, for this also we used wood and iron. And this is our atta. Normally in the villages, we call it as atta.
Yes.
So this actually, we can use it as a room, storing, and even if you want to conduct some small parties, we can make use of this. It's
The main idea was my mother had seen a house in her childhood where people would go and sleep on the atta, which had a low roof. So that was her childhood dream of an attamani. So this is again that dream transferred into reality.
And also from this atta we can see our farm.
Yes,
Through
we
the
get a
window,
complete view.
Sometimes during morning we do bird watching, like a lot of peacock and different variety of birds do visit our farm. And by sitting here and having a cup of coffee or tea, we
Yes, and during lockdown we have had our online classes.
yeah, yeah, my mother-in-law took a lot of online classes from here. She enjoys, doing the online classes by sitting here, so she can.
You have worked for your office.
Yeah,
from
even
there.
I have worked, for my office from here. Yeah, it's quite, unique thing, I would say. Different experience.
Yes.
Yeah, and
A duplex house is a very regular thing in
Yes.
the cities. But having an atta is very different. If you can see, this doesn't have any constraint. It's just an open space.
and also the space, what we have, thing, we kept very minimal, belongings,
No furniture.
no furniture, so that it looks spacious. Otherwise, if you occupy everything, then you won't enjoy the space actually. So at least sometimes my son, what he does, when there is a cousins get together, they all play cricket here.
Is mine.
And he loves playing cricket, in Atta.
And
So it's
All
kind of,
kids love coming
Yeah.
upstairs because when they run, it makes a sound and it's an open space.
Now I want to tell.
You, see, yeah, you can tell that you like
What do you want to
playing
tell?
here in the atta.
Is my friend
Who is your friend?
Nikhil.
Yeah.
okay,
He
fine.
and his cousin Nikhil
Is-
plays there.
Yeah, Nikhil plays here. I always suggest keep everything simple, and even in our entire house, the furniture what we
Have
use
is very
minimal.
because most of the time we are not inside the house at all.
Yeah,
We are outside, and the little while that we want to rest, so only for that purpose, very little furniture. Few chairs, that's all.
only few chairs, and even if you want to sit, you can make use of this totti area, and then you can sit here and then relax. It gives you a different level of experience, and like it changes your mindset, your mood, and especially during monsoon seasons, if it is
Coming rain.
if it is raining, you can sit and relax
And
and enjoy the view, beautiful view.
Here you put your legs inside, right?
it's too cold.
Yeah.
So cold, he enjoys playing here. So this is that's why we call it our own piece of heaven.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.